a little bunch.
Tag and mixing your helium. I just love it.
Dude, that guy off of YouTube, that's what he sounds like.
What, dude?
The one that talks really weird.
But all the helium is all the atmosphere.
That sounds like Cassie. It's so awesome. You should have bought a whole nother one just for us to play with.
No.
You wasted it.
Do you remember when you had like a big old helium tank? Remember those on Birkdale? You actually introduced this to us.